Hi everyone, this is Alexander Antsipov, and in this video I am going to show how to create a mobile application in Appery with custom color theme. So let's create our application Ionic 4 with name Thema app. Our application is ready, and now let's open screen 1, change header color to primary, and then let's add some components: button component, checkbox, card, list. And now let's test how our application will look. So I don't want to say that this application looks bad, but this application uses default color theme, and it means that there are a lot of applications with the same color theme. In order to create more unique design, first what we have to do, we have to change our color theme to something more unique. In internet you can find a lot of resources where there are already ready colors which suits better to each other. So for example, I found one which is called Color Hunt, and now let's use this set of colors. Here we can see primary color, secondary color, tertiary color. And in order to generate our custom color theme, we can use color generator, which is created by Ionic theme, and everything what is needed just to copy primary color and paste it here, then to do the same for secondary color and for tertiary color. Then we have to copy CSS variables, came back to Appery editor, open variable as CSS file and replace default value on just copied. And now let's test again. Now we see our application with custom color theme. Okay, but what to do in situation when we have to support different color themes in the same application? Good example is supporting dark mode. For that we can use Appery theme switcher plugin. So let's import it. And let's take a look what was imported in our application. First, it is a get custom theme service which return theme name, and second service set current theme service which accept theme name and set it as a current theme. Okay, now let's add dark mode theme which we can copy again from Ionic resource. Let's select this SCSS code and copy into variable SCSS file, and also our plugin imported theme screen. Let's open it. So as you see here, we can provide theme name, and this theme will be applied after pressing activate theme button. Let's change routing from screen 1 to theme screen, and let's test. So here we see that current theme is default. Let's change it on dark. Let's press activate. Now we see how our application will look in dark mode. And even if we refresh our application, this theme will be saved. Now let's change it back to default. Okay, now let's take a look how this screen works. Let's open it. Screen has two data sources. First is get current theme, and everything what it does is just mapping schema name response variable to schema variable, and second service set current schema. Here we again perform simple mapping schema variable on schema name request property. And now let's take a look on our event panel. Here we see that get current schema is invoked on a page create component or page create event of page component, and set current schema is invoked on click event of default button component. This is all what I wanted to show in this video. If you like it, please subscribe to the channel.